Welcome to Inland Boat Company on the gravel. It's Alicia here, and today we're going to show you how to install the Axis decal inlays from domenumbers.com. We've washed the area with soap and water. Now we're going to prep the surface with some alcohol and let it dry. Next, I'm going to peel the backing, and then I'm going to line the decal on my clean and prepped surface. Then I'm going to start in the center and press outwards. Dome numbers included all of these accent areas. We're just going to do 2 to show you what it looks like. We chose to keep our logos simple. We wanted the Axis black and the Volt yellow to match the boat, so we went with the 2-tone. Thanks for watching. Let us know what else you'd like to see in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more.